What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to buy WolverInu on Uniswap through your Coinbase wallet. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your wallet, and then you just want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select the 4 squares in the middle, and then you want to go to uniswap.org. Now let that load, and then we're going to launch the app. So in order to purchase WolverInu, you have to swap it with Ethereum. So what we're going to do is select a token, and then you're going to type in WolverInu. If you have not already done this, then it's going to ask you to import it. But if you have, just select it. And then we're going to go ahead and type in the amount that you want to swap manually. So just type in any amount. Make sure you have this amount actually added to your Coinbase wallet so that the transaction will go through. And once you're done with that, select swap. And then you want to confirm the swap. Now, as you can see, it just glitched. So that means we need to change the slippage percentage. So what you would do is go to the top right and select the wrench. And as you can see, mine is set to 12. So I'm just going to try and play with this and change it to different numbers to see what works. And it looks like the 15% worked. Okay, yes. So now we want to confirm the payment, but the gas fees are too high. So I'm going to wait till later because I really don't want to pay $173. And just like that, guys, I went ahead and waited until not so much 3 to 5 a.m., but it is 7 a.m. Saturday morning. And I was able to get the gas fees down to $90-something. And my transaction, as you can see, has went through and it's processing. And so, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.